Hello, beautiful queens across the world. Welcome to the very first episode of Queen's Health Tips and Tricks, powered by IWEHE, the Initiative for Women Equity in Health Access. It's time we change the mystery and misinformation around women's health. Every woman deserves access to clear, reliable information about her body. We're going to have open, honest conversations about everything from managing period symptoms to advocating for your health needs. This is a safe space, a sisterhood, where we uplift and empower each other. So sit back, relax, and get ready to tap into the wisdom of queens. Let's start with the basics, my queens. Water is crucial for our overall health, especially during our periods. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses a day, and even more if you're feeling extra thirsty. Get creative. Infuse it with fresh fruit, cucumber, lemon, or mint. It's like a spa treatment for your insides. That time of the month can leave us feeling drained. That's where iron comes in. Load up on iron-rich foods like spinach, lentils, and lean red meat. Vitamin C helps our bodies absorb iron better, so squeeze some lemon on your spinach salad. Maximize those nutrients, my queens. Pesky cravings? Our bodies often crave things because they're lacking nutrients. Instead of chips, try a sweet potato or a banana. These foods are packed with complex carbs and magnesium. They're good for you any time of the month. Healthy fats are our friends, ladies. They help regulate hormones and ease cramps. Think avocados, nuts and seeds, like chia and flax seeds, full of omega-3. And let's not forget about salmon. Certain herbal teas can be especially soothing during that time of the month. Ginger tea eases cramps, and chamomile tea helps with stress and anxiety. Choose caffeine-free options for the best results. Sugar can make period symptoms worse by worsening bloating and messing with our moods. Be mindful of your intake, especially during your period. How about some fresh fruit instead of that candy bar? Caffeine can be tricky during our periods, making cramps worse and disrupting sleep. Listen to your body. If you're sensitive to caffeine, try cutting back or opting for decaf. Herbal alternatives can be a great option. Processed foods can be especially troublesome during our periods, often loaded with sodium. Let's nourish our bodies with whole, real foods as much as possible. Think fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Fried foods and dairy can exacerbate digestive issues during periods for some women. Pay attention to your body and see what feels best. Alcohol can interfere with hormonal balance and dehydrate us, worsening period symptoms. Consider reducing your alcohol intake or abstaining during rough periods. Self-care means making choices that prioritize our well-being. Remember, queens, our periods are a natural, powerful part of who we are. By making mindful choices and listening to our bodies, we can navigate this time with grace and ease. This is just the beginning of our journey together. Like, subscribe, and share this video to support the Queen's Health Tips and Tricks program and IWEHE. You are strong, you are worthy, and you are not alone. Until next time, my queens.